Ever feel like you're living in a whirlwind of notifications, endless scrolling and constant pings from your phone? Like you're always connected but never really present, you're not alone. In this age of hyperconnectivity, it's easy to get swept away by the tide of technology, but there's a better way: digital minimalism. Now, before you panic, this isn't about ditching your devices and living off the grid. Let's be real, who wants to give up the convenience of online maps or the joy of sharing silly memes with friends? Digital minimalism is about something much cooler. It's about taking back control. It's about intentionally choosing how and when you use technology so it enhances your life instead of controlling it. Think of it like this: your phone is a toolbox. It's packed with all sorts of apps like tools. Some are incredibly useful, like that meditation app that helps you chill out, or that recipe app that saves you from culinary disasters. But let's be honest, some of those apps are like rusty old wrenches you never use. They're just taking up space and making it harder to find the tools you actually need. Digital minimalism is like spring cleaning for your digital life. It's about decluttering your phone, silencing those endless notifications, and rediscovering the joy of being present in the real world. It's about swapping mindless scrolling for meaningful conversations and trading endless feeds for real-life experiences. Imagine this: you wake up without the urge to immediately check your phone. You enjoy your morning coffee while listening to the birds chirping, not the buzz of notifications. You spend your day engaged in activities you love, whether it's hiking in nature, losing yourself in a good book, or having a deep conversation with a friend. You're present, mindful, and fully engaged in your life. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But how do you actually do digital minimalism? Well, that's the beauty of it. It's totally personalized. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. It's about figuring out what works best for you. Here are some ideas to get your minimalist juices flowing. Wage war on notifications. Seriously, those things are designed to hijack your attention. Turn off all non-essential notifications and reclaim your focus. Declutter your app drawer. Be honest, how many of those apps do you actually use? If you haven't touched it in months, it's time to say goodbye. Set some boundaries with your screen time. Maybe it's no phones at the dinner table, or a dedicated digital detox hour each day. Find what works for you and stick to it. Rediscover the joy of boredom. It might sound weird, but boredom can actually spark creativity and lead to new discoveries. Put down your phone and see what happens. Embrace the power of off. Yes, you can actually turn your phone off sometimes. It's liberating, trust me. Digital minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about intention. It's about choosing to use technology in a way that supports your values and enriches your life. It's about creating space for the things that truly matter: connection, creativity, and presence. So, are you ready to take back control and embrace a more mindful digital life?